Welcome to my channel. I am Iram Iqbal, a freelance graphic and logo designer. In today's tutorial, I will tell you the top 7 logo designs, high demand, and low competition keywords for the Fiverr gig. Important announcement. Do not miss the last 2 keywords, and in the end of video, I will tell you free keyword research tool for Fiverr keyword. Let's begin. Type logo design in search bar. You will see there are 200,000 gig are available for logo design. It's mean this keyword has high in demand, and also it has very high competition. For new Fiverr seller, it's not a good keyword for you. Now type NFT logo in search bar and search it. You will see there is only 621 gig are there, it's mean it's very low in competition. Now check its demand. You see there, every seller has many reviews. Scroll down and check for every seller. Open first 5 or 10 gig and check they have order in queue. If most of them seller have order in queue, then it's mean this keyword is very high in demand. You will use this keyword for your next new Fiverr gig and it will easily ranked on first page. Our second keyword is tech logo. Search this and check its competition and demand explained in previous step. Don't miss the end of the video. Because last 2 keyword are very high in demand, and I will also tell you free website for Fiverr keyword. Our third keyword is initial logo. Search this and check its competition and demand explained in first step. Don't miss the end of the video. Because last 2 keyword are very high in demand, and I will also tell you free website for Fiverr keyword. Our fourth keyword is startup logo. Search this and check its competition and demand explained in first step. Don't miss the end of the video. Our fifth keyword is website logo. Search this and check its competition and demand explain in first step. Don't miss the end of the video. Now these two keywords are very high in demand. Type timeless logo and check its demand and competition. Follow along with me. Type app logo and check its demand and competition. Follow along with me. You will see here, this keyword is very high in demand and its competition is very low. Now, I will tell you free website for Fiverr keyword research. Type keyword.io in Google. Here you will select Fiverr and type your keyword in search bar. This site will give you multiple of keyword ideas. Copy one by one and search in Fiverr. I hope you learned something new. Please like the video and comment on it. If want more tutorial like this, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.